Is the Flamingo Women's Body Wax Kit a salon-quality solution or just another overhyped product? I've been using it for a while, and here's my honest take. The kit includes 28 gel wax strips and 6 post-wax cloths designed to remove hair from the root for up to 4 weeks. The wax strips are soft and flexible, making them easy to apply to various body areas. Many users have reported positive experiences, noting that the strips effectively remove fine to medium hair and leave the skin feeling smooth. However, some individuals have experienced skin irritation or found the strips less effective on coarse hair. It's important to follow the instructions carefully and perform a patch test before full application. Overall, for those seeking an at-home waxing solution, the Flamingo Women's Body Wax Kit offers a convenient and affordable option. Want more honest beauty reviews? Hit like and follow for the next one.